Now children, let's begin with chapter 3, good food. So children, all of you know what is good food? We have to eat good food that is good for our health and that gives us energy. The food that we eat at home, that is homemade food, is very much healthier as compared to the junk food that is available outside. So good food is the food that is good for our health, which includes fruits and vegetables, milk products and various other things. So in this chapter we will be studying about sources of food, types of food and cooking and eating. We all need food to get energy. It also helps us to grow strong and stay healthy. Now children, we will begin with sources of food. Sources is that from where do we get our food. We get our food either from plants or from animals. This we all know. But now we will study the food that are obtained from plants, which includes cereals and pulses, fruits and vegetables, spices, oil and sugar. The food obtained from animals includes milk and milk products, eggs, meat and honey. So children, wheat, rice, maize are some of the examples of cereals and they provide us with energy. Urad, chana are the example of pulses which are rich in proteins and are very much essential for the growth of children. Fruits and vegetables have lots of minerals in them. They are also known as protective foods because they protect us from various diseases. As we are always forced to have an apple or a banana every day, it's because of that only, because fruits and vegetables are very much beneficial for our health. Coming to spices, spices are the parts of plants that add flavor, color and taste to our food. If the spices are not there, then the food will be tasteless. There will be no color, there will be no taste. Okay, so if we add spices like salt, turmeric, pepper, chili, so these are the spices which add color and flavor to our food. Coming to oil, we get oil from plants of mustard, coconut, groundnut, sunflower, etc. These are a good source of fats. We used to cook sabzi in that, curry in that oil. Now, sugar is obtained from the stem of sugarcane and the roots of sugar beets. Sugar is used in the preparation of tea, in kheer and various other dishes. Food obtained from animals includes milk and milk products, as we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats. Now the butter, curd, cream are also prepared from milk. Eggs are obtained mainly from hens and ducks. We get meat of goat, fish and chicken. And honey is obtained from honeybees. It is used as a sweetener and even as an antiseptic. It sweetens the dishes. And antiseptic is जैसे हमारे कभी लग जाती है, suppose we are having a cut in our tongue, तो we used to put a drop of honey over it and it relieves us. It soothes our sour throat. जब हमारा गला खराब हो जाता है, then also we are supposed to have the honey. Now children, vegetarians are those who eat plants and plants products. Now children, Factopedia, vegans are vegetarians who do not have dairy products. Vegans are against cruelty to animals for food, clothing or for any other purpose. Coming to types of food. We all eat different kinds of food to stay fit and healthy, but these foods are divided into 3 categories: energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So energy giving food includes rice, chapati, milk, bread to carry out different activities throughout the day. Bodybuilding foods include pulses, eggs, meat and fish, which help us to build our muscles and keep the bones strong and healthy. Protective food includes fruits and vegetables, which can be eaten as raw also. We can eat them after being cooked. Now, water and roughage are also the important part of our meal. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay fit and healthy. It also helps to digest the food that we eat. Roughage or fibers are also essential for the proper functioning of our digestive system. Next is cooking and eating. Some food can be eaten raw, while others need to be cooked before eating. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. Okay, like some of the fruits or some of the vegetables we can eat them raw, like onion, carrot. We can eat them cooked also. But there are some of the vegetables like cabbage, spinach, which have to be eaten after being cooked only. Okay. Now, the different ways of cooking foods are boiling, baking, frying, roasting, grilling, steaming. Now, first is boiling. Boiling is the method जो आपने generally देखा होगा. This method involves cooking of the food item in the boiling water, like rice, pulses, and some vegetables also. Now, baking involves cooking the food item without adding any liquid or fat. An oven is used for baking the breads, biscuits, cakes, etc. In frying, the food is being cooked in a hot oil or ghee. We make puris, samosas, pakoras by deep frying in a wok. Wok is kadhai. Parathas and chilas are made on a griddle by shallow frying. Now, roasting, the food is cooked in an oven or over fire. Paneer, chicken, and many other vegetables are often roasted on a skewer. Now, next is grilling. Grilling is done on a griller or on a tandoor. Meat and vegetables are grilled over direct heat. It is very healthy way of cooking. Steaming. Food like momos, idli, dhokla are often steamed before eating. Steaming is usually done in a pressure cooker or on a steamer. It is fun to eat together in a family. It gives a feeling of togetherness and gives time to share the experiences of the day. In most of the families, all the members eat at least one meal together. Vectopedia, food should not be reheated again and again. Means बार बार उसको गर्म नहीं करना चाहिए as it loses its nutrients. Now, points to ponder. We need food to get energy. It helps us to grow strong and stay healthy. We get our food from plants and animals. We need to eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, and easy to chew and digest. Every family should have at least one meal together. Now, children, I hope that you have understood the chapter well. Go through the chapter, read it again, and try to do the exercises on your own. The answers of these exercises are given in the attached PDF so that you can check your work, what you have done. Thank you.